In this video, I'm showing you 5 digital products that are going absolutely viral right now on Etsy and how you can get these products listed today while they're still exploding. I'm a homeschooling stay-at-home mom who grew my Etsy shop working only about 10 hours a week in the mornings while my kids were sleeping, and so far it has made me over $29,000. I don't spend hours designing, I don't pay for ads, and I don't post on social media. I just find what's already selling, create it fast, and list it. So if you're looking for trending product ideas that are blowing up right now in 2026, you're in the right place. Let's get started with trending product idea number 1, magazine templates. These are exploding right now on Etsy, and one template can be used for multiple designs. And look at this. When I searched magazine template on Etsy, the first page was packed with bestseller and popular now badges. This birthday magazine template has made 178 sales in just the last month. That means it's bringing in about $1,100 a month in revenue. That is just from one Canva template. And this friendship magazine template has been listed only 4 months and has already made 152 sales in the last month, pulling in about $2,200. Now, for my Sales Sprint members, I've already created a magazine template for you inside the program, so you don't have to start from scratch. You can customize it, adjust the colors, change up the layout, and start listing these today. Magazine templates are one of those products that check every box. High demand, multiple variations, beginner friendly, and profitable. And here's why this is perfect even if you only have a few hours to work on your shop. You create the template once in Canva, and then you can spin it into multiple products. You can do birthdays, graduations, weddings, anniversaries, year in review recaps, friendship gifts, couple milestones, and the list goes on. You'll use the same base template, different themes, different keywords, and you'll attract different buyers. And buyers love these because they'll get something custom and personalized without having to spend hours designing it themselves or trying to hire someone to make a very beautiful gift for them. They can simply download it, plug in their photos and text, and they've got an Instagram-worthy gift in under 1 hour. Now, here's the important part you do not want to miss, and that's avoiding trademarks. You'll notice some of these listings use trademark names like Vogue, Time, Cosmopolitan, but you cannot use those brand names in your listing photos or your design. And I know it's tempting because it can help you make more sales, but using those brand names in your listing photos or your tags or titles, descriptions, anything like that can get your shop permanently suspended. And Etsy doesn't always give warnings before they suspend your shop. It is your responsibility as the seller to look up these trademark terms so you are not using them. Inside the Sales Sprint, I walk you through exactly how to check for trademarks before you list anything so you are not at risk at getting your shop suspended. But if you want a quick overview of trademarks and how to avoid them, you can watch this video here where I break it down for you. The good news is you don't need to copy existing brand names to make sales with this product. Buyers are searching for things like custom magazine template, birthday magazine, or editable magazine gift, and they're not searching for the magazines by brand name. So as long as you avoid trademark terms, you are good to go. And with birthdays, weddings, anniversaries happening every single day, this is one trend that's not going anywhere anytime soon. But this next product is a little unexpected, and that brings us to trending product number 2, 6-7. This one might sound random if you've never heard of it, but 6-7 products are blowing up on Etsy right now, and I'm going to tell you why. 6-7 is a viral trend and it is showing up everywhere. Sublimation designs, PNG files, SVG cut files, invitations, Valentine's Day cards, literally everywhere. So let me show you a few examples. This 6-7 Coquette Bow PNG has made 78 sales in just the last month, and the listing is only 2 months old. And then we have this 6-7 birthday invitation. It has made 129 sales in just 1 month with a 9% conversion rate. That means for every 100 views, 9 people are buying. A typical conversion rate is 1 to 2%, so having a 9% conversion rate is insane. And then there's the 6-7 SVG. It has 184 sales in the last month with a 16% conversion rate. That is one of the highest conversion rates I've seen in a while. And that's because this product is hitting the exact buyer who wants to purchase it. Plus, it's a minimal design, which means it can appeal to more people. Now, here's what makes this product so smart. It works across multiple platforms. You can sell it as a sublimation PNG for people making sweatshirts or tumblers, an SVG file for Cricut users, a birthday invitation, Valentine's Day cards, party decor. The list continues to go on. One design concept has multiple ways to use it. And right now, with Valentine's Day coming up, 6-7 products are especially hot. Here's a smart strategy I noticed. Some sellers are bundling 6-7 themed products like Valentine's Day cards with Valentine's coloring pages. So let's look at this listing right here. It's marked popular now, and even though Everbee hasn't caught up with the data yet, we know that it's making sales or Etsy wouldn't have the Popular Now badge on it. Bundling similar products like this helps you make more money per customer, which means you can make more money with less views. And that's because buyers are purchasing multiple products instead of just one. When you list this type of product, you want to use keywords that buyers are searching for. And if you look at the keyword data, phrases like slang Valentine's has a keyword score of 250, which is super high. And then we have Gen Z Valentine's, which has a score of 120, which is also high. These are solid keywords with room for a brand new shop to come in and rank on page 1 of search results. This works so well for beginners because you don't need to understand the slang to make money from it. You just need to see what's trending, create simple designs around it, and list them with the right keywords. Buyers who get it will find you because you're literally speaking their language. And with Valentine's Day right around the corner, now is the perfect time to jump on this trend. And that leads us to trending product number 3, coquette bows. If you've been scrolling Pinterest or TikTok lately, you'll notice that the coquette aesthetic is everywhere. And it's taking over Etsy too. Coquette bows are exploding right now, and I'm not talking about just one design. This trend is showing up in invitations, SVG files, sublimation designs, baby shower games, and so much more. And the numbers do not lie. Look at this Valentine's Day coquette bow PNG. It's marked as a bestseller and has made 204 sales in just the last month, bringing in over $600 in revenue. And look at this trend graph. It's showing a growth rate of 260% right now, which is getting even higher as we get closer to Valentine's Day. This is the kind of momentum you want to catch while it's hot. And it's not just Valentine's Day products. This black bow SVG bundle has been listed for 8 months and has made 184 sales in the last month alone with a 5% conversion rate, which is great. And that means out of every 100 views, 5 people are buying. And when you've got nearly 15,000 views, those conversions add up fast. And here's what makes this even more exciting. Coquette bow invitations are absolutely dominating right now. When I searched coquette invitation on Etsy, the first page was filled with bestseller and Popular Now badges. And most of these top performing listings were less than 6 months old. That means this trend is still fresh and there is plenty of room for beginners to jump in and make sales. And that's also why I've added a coquette graduation invitation template for members of the sales sprint, so you can go ahead and get this product listed in your Etsy shop today. Now, here's why this product is perfect for beginners. First, you don't need to be a graphic designer. The coquette aesthetic is all about soft, feminine, simple designs. You can create these in Canva using shapes and elements that are already available, or you can use graphics from sites like Creative Fabrica and customize them to fit the trend. Second, this isn't a one and done product. You can apply the coquette bow aesthetic to dozens of products. Invitations, baby shower games, SVG cut files, sublimation designs, thank you cards, party decor. One design concept can make dozens of listings. And third, the demand is steady. Yes, Valentine's Day is approaching, but we also have birthdays, baby showers, bridal showers, and bachelorette parties happening year-round. Once you tap into this aesthetic, you're not just relying on seasonal products to make sales. Now let's hop into trending product number 4, bulletin board kits. This is one of those products that prove a simple truth. People don't want to hunt. They want the whole meal delivered. A teacher could spend hours searching for individual bulletin board letters, then find matching borders, then hunt for themed accents, then figure out how to make it look all cohesive. Or they could click one time and get everything in a ready-to-print kit that takes them literally less than 10 minutes. That's why bulletin board kits are crushing it right now. When we look at this Old Testament bulletin board kit, we can see it has made 469 sales in just the last month, bringing in over $16,000 in revenue. And this trend is growing at 33% right now. And since this is a complete bundle, people are willing to pay the higher price because they don't have to waste their time searching all over the place for matching designs. And if you don't want to go the spiritual route, this mental health bulletin board kit has made 241 sales in the last month, bringing in almost $1,000 in revenue. After comparing multiple bulletin board kits across multiple niches, here's the sold framework I've noticed they're using that are making their products fly off the shelves. The S stands for specific. Notice, these aren't just bulletin board kits. They're LDS Primary 2026 Old Testament or Mental Health Winter. The more specific you get, the easier it is for your exact buyer to find your product and know this is exactly what they're looking for. The O stands for one-stop solution. Buyers will always choose a complete solution over piecing things together individually. One bundle beats buying 10 individual pieces every single time because it eliminates decision fatigue and saves time for the buyer. And the L stands for long-term sales. You can create kits tied to specific seasons, holidays, or themes like fall, Valentine's Day, or first day of school. And you can also match that with evergreen themes like growth mindset, kindness, reading. That way, you're not just relying on one season to carry your entire shop. You can make sales every single day, year round. And then the D is done for you. Teachers and parents don't have hours to design and coordinate. They want to download, print, and display. The easier you make it, the faster they'll buy. You can find bulletin board graphics, letters, borders, and accents on Creative Fabrica. They have thousands of classroom and education themed elements you can use legally in your Etsy shop. The key is to make sure that everything matches in the theme and the colors so that it looks professional and cohesive. And once you create the base elements, the letters, the borders, the accents, you can recolor them and repurpose them across multiple designs. One set of assets can become multiple products. And that brings us to trending product number 5, faux yarn crochet. And if you haven't heard of it yet, you need to pay attention because these products are skyrocketing. Faux yarn crochet PNGs are designs that look like hand crocheted letters. Think chunky yarn texture, cozy knit vibes. But they're completely digital. No actual crocheting is required. And buyers are obsessed with them for t-shirts, totes, tumblers, you name it. Look at this Crochet Mama PNG bundle. It has made 219 sales in just the last month, bringing in $800 in revenue. And look at this trend graph. It is growing at 900% right now. And here's another one, so that wasn't just a one-off. This faux yarn Mardi Gras PNG has made 105 sales in the last month, and it is growing at 800%. These aren't just selling, they are exploding. And here's why this trend is so hot right now. First, it taps into two massive aesthetics at once. The cozy handmade vibe that people love, and the convenience of a digital download. Buyers get the look of something custom and crafted without waiting weeks for a physical product. And 2, these work year-round and for specific holidays. Look at this faux yarn winter PNG. It has 213 sales in the last month. And then you've also got evergreen options like Mama, Gigi, Nana that sell year-round because people are always looking for personalized gifts. And here's the timing advantage for you. We are heading into Mardi Gras season, and Mardi Gras faux yarn designs are blowing up right now. But even after Mardi Gras ends, you can pivot to things like Easter, Mother's Day, graduation, back to school. This aesthetic works for everything. Now, here's what makes this beginner friendly. You don't need to know how to crochet. You don't even need to know how to create this crochet yarn effect. You can find faux yarn letter templates and crochet texture graphics on Creative Fabrica. You can simply customize the colors and the designs and then list them as PNGs. The key is creating designs that feel on trend and specific. Don't just make generic mom designs. Make things like crochet basketball mom PNG, faux yarn GG bundle, cozy knit Valentine's Day PNG. The more specific your title and your design, the easier it is for buyers to find exactly what they're looking for. So now that you know what's trending, what you'll need to know next is exactly how to list these digital products on Etsy so they can show up on the first page of search results and you can make sales from day one. In this video, I walk you step by step through the exact process I use to list every single digital product on Etsy. From writing titles and descriptions that rank me on the first page of search results to pricing strategies that turn browsers into buyers.